Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I had an idea for a little bit, pitched it to a buddy of mine, the friend of mine that is in the punk rock band that I've done some work for. I made a comment to him that I wanted to mess around with records and see what we could do. This is not his record, by the way, but it's a cheap throwaway record by Anne Murray, Capitol Records. And this afternoon I spent a little time playing around, and yeah, so let's see what happens in the next minute and 30 seconds, give or take. And there you have it, the great state of North Carolina. So after playing with the settings for a while, I finally came up with what will cut smooth, quick, efficient. There you go.